The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod explains how in just 6 minutes, you can get results and how you can customize your morning to best benefit you and your goals. The Miracle Morning is an instructional book all about how to create a morning routine that sets you up for success in every aspect of life. Hal Elrod is involved in personal coaching and excels at public speaking. He explains how in just 6 minutes, you can get results and customize your morning to best benefit you and your goals. The Miracle Morning is an instructional book about creating a morning routine that prepares you for success in every aspect of life. Now practiced by thousands of people worldwide, The Miracle Morning is helping transform lives and create greater success for its readers. By using the morning to invest in and develop yourself, you too can live the Miracle Morning and start on your path to success. The Miracle Morning is an instructional book and ideal for anyone looking to improve their life. Sustaining a morning routine is the most effective way to create the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. This book is straightforward and has easy-to-follow steps and suggestions, making it the perfect guide for anyone ready to start taking action and changing their life. So, in this blog, we will summarize this book, and at the end, I'll tell you whether you should buy this book or not. Part 1 - Why you need this. Hal Elrod argues that there are 3 key reasons that everyone, including you, should take on the Miracle Morning and change your life. You are worth it. Success and happiness are something that everyone is capable of having, everyone is deserving. It would be best if you stopped settling. You must set goals and dedicate the time necessary to achieve them, personally, professionally, or financially. Settling for less is not the answer. Your morning routine significantly affects your success in every area of your life. The quality of your morning significantly impacts the quality of your days and, ultimately, your life. If you start your day focused, productive, and successful, your days will likely follow suit and lead to a successful life. Conversely, if your mornings are unfocused, unproductive, and mediocre, your days and overall quality of life may also be mediocre. By prioritizing focused and productive mornings, you can experience increased energy, motivation, and time, reduced stress, improved health, and more joy and vitality. The benefits of starting your day on the right foot can be truly transformative. Part 2 - Where it all began. At the age of 20, Hal Elrod faced a life-altering car accident. However, he fully recovered, defying the odds of ever walking or running again. Despite hitting rock bottom, he was determined to overcome this adversity and went on to run a 52-mile ultramarathon. Years later, Elrod faced another setback when he went bankrupt during the global financial crisis. This left him feeling depressed and hopeless once again. During a run and while listening to a podcast, he had an epiphany that led to the creation of the Miracle Morning. The quote that motivated him was, "Your level of success will rarely exceed your level of personal development, because success is something you attract by the person you become." This realization helped him turn his life around and achieve greater success. In his book, Hal Elrod shares how he realized mornings are the best time for personal development due to fewer distractions and higher motivation levels. He started his personal development journey by dedicating 1 hour every morning to 6 activities, which he believes transformed his life, and he can do the same for others. These activities included an hour of silence, reading, affirmations, visualization, journaling, and exercise. This routine led to the creation of what Elrod calls the Miracle Morning. Part 3 - 3 Steps. According to Elrod, most individuals, 95%, are content with mediocrity and spend their lives desiring more but ultimately accepting less. However, instead of perpetuating this harmful pattern, Elrod suggests 3 steps to reverse it. To avoid settling for a mediocre life, Elrod suggests taking 3 steps. Step number 1, take action now. Realize that without taking action, nothing will change, and you may never reach your full potential. Don't be part of the 95% who settle. Step number 2, identify the causes of mediocrity. Identify any of the 7 possible reasons that may be causing you to live a mediocre life, such as living in the past, having no purpose, isolating your decisions, lacking accountability, having a circle of influence that promotes mediocrity, neglecting personal development, or lacking a sense of urgency. Step number 3, draw your line in the sand. Take the first step by deciding and drawing a line in the sand. Commit to making an immediate change and stop putting it off. Today is the day to start. Part 4. What's your why? The miracle morning concept involves starting your day with energy and enthusiasm, akin to waking up refreshed and ready to take on the world. Author Hal Elrod emphasizes the importance of not hitting the snooze button and delaying the start of your day. By doing so, you are postponing living your life to the fullest. Contrary to the belief that one needs a standard 8 hours of sleep each night, Elrod argues it's a myth. He conducted experiments on himself and others and found that the key to waking up with energy lies in setting the intention before bed that you will receive sufficient rest and wake up feeling energized. Whether you sleep for 4 or 9 hours, accepting that you will get enough sleep will help you feel great in the morning. Ultimately, the miracle morning is about starting your day purposefully and dedicating time to personal growth every day. It's about becoming the best version of yourself to create a fulfilling and abundant life. This should be a daily habit for the rest of your life, not just something you do out of obligation. Part 5. The 5-Step Snooze-Proof Wake-Up Strategy. Hal Elrod has developed a 5-step process to help individuals avoid hitting snooze and make the most of their mornings. Firstly, setting positive intentions before bed to wake up with a good frame of mind is crucial. Secondly, moving the alarm clock across the room can prompt you to get out of bed and turn it off, which can help increase energy levels. Thirdly, brushing your teeth is an excellent way to freshen up and feel more awake. Fourthly, dehydration can cause fatigue, so drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up can help to combat this. Finally, getting dressed in exercise clothes or showering can give you a fresh and active start to the day. These steps can help you wake up feeling energized and ready to seize the day. Part 6. The Life S.A.V.E.R.S. Hal Elrod advocates for 6 personal development practices known as the Life S.A.V.E.R.S, which he assures will enable you to tap into your inner strengths and drive transformation in your life, helping you to reach your full potential. These practices aim to nurture your personal growth and development to help you achieve the desired changes. S is for silence. In recognition of our busy and noisy lives, Hal Elrod emphasizes the importance of incorporating active silence to enhance self-awareness and reduce stress. This intentional silence can be transformative and provide opportunities to set goals and priorities. Meditation, prayer, and focused breathing exercises are ways to cultivate active silence. Incorporating these practices can help individuals manage the demands of a fast-paced lifestyle and promote a sense of inner calm and focus. A is for affirmations. Hal Elrod underscores the significance and potency of positive affirmations, which may initially feel uncomfortable but can facilitate transformative shifts in one's mindset and life. He cautions against negative self-talk and encourages using affirmations to counteract this harmful habit. Elrod recommends considering personal preferences and factors such as values and goals to develop effective affirmations. Individuals can create a more fulfilling and successful life by intentionally using affirmations to cultivate a positive and empowering inner dialogue. What do you want? Why do you want this? Who do you have to be to make this happen? What are you going to commit to doing to make this happen? What quotes, phrases, and perspectives inspire you? V is for visualization. Hal Elrod encourages using visualization as a powerful tool for envisioning the lifestyle, habits, and future that one desire, which can help facilitate action toward those goals. This technique, commonly employed by top athletes to enhance performance, can be likened to a form of mental rehearsal for success. However, Elrod notes that past experiences can often hinder visualization efforts, emphasizing the need to let go of limiting beliefs and focus on creating a compelling and limitless vision of the future. Through creative visualization, individuals can design a vivid and inspiring mental picture of their ideal future, which can be a powerful motivator for pursuing their goals. E is for exercise. Engaging in daily exercise is a key factor that Elrod emphasizes. It doesn't matter how long you exercise, it helps to increase blood flow, mental clarity, energy levels, and overall health. Contrary to some beliefs, exercising can help to maintain energy levels throughout the day and enhance productivity. R is for reading. A key aspect of Elrod's personal development process is learning and gaining knowledge. One of the best ways to do this is by reading. You can read about almost any topic from experts and only increase your knowledge and skills. There is nothing to be lost. Elrod suggests reading at least 10 pages daily, setting a goal and sticking to it. S is for scribing. Scribing or writing is Elrod's final personal development practice. He really emphasizes the importance of journaling, even for 5-10 minutes a day, as a way to get thoughts out of your head and onto paper. This can help eliminate stress, clear the mind, and help you discover breakthroughs and new ideas. Part 7 – The 6-Minute Miracle. Elrod understands that not everyone has an hour to dedicate to their morning routines, but he believes anyone can spare 6 minutes, even on their busiest days. In just 6 minutes, you can begin practicing Elrod's miracle morning and changing your life. Here's how to spend each of those 6 minutes. Minute 1. Take the first minute to be in complete silence. Sit and relax without stress, slow your mind down, and release tension. Minute 2. Spend your second minute reciting your daily affirmations out loud. Minute 3. Use the third minute to visualize yourself reaching your goals. Elrod also suggests creating a vision board. Minute 4. Spend the fourth minute writing down what you're grateful for and proud of and your intentions for the day. Minute 5. Take a minute to read a few pages of a self-development book, even if you only have one idea. Minute 6. For the final minute, do some exercise or movement. Even jumping jacks, push-ups, or a quick stair run can excite your heart. You can customize your very own miracle morning. According to Elrod, delaying eating until after completing all the miracle morning activities is advisable. He highlights the significance of consuming fresh fruits and vegetables as they provide the necessary fuel for both your body and mind. It's important to avoid getting into a rut, so try varying your routines with different workouts, meditation practices or vision boards. Keeping things fresh and interesting will keep you motivated. Elrod emphasizes that the miracle morning routine is not just for weekdays. Still, it can be practiced on weekends too, as it provides numerous benefits to improve your overall well-being. Part 8 – It's going to take 30 days to change your life. Elrod believes that our habits' quality determines our life quality. He has seen evidence that habits can be changed in 30 days and recommends committing to new habits for at least that long. He breaks down the process into 3 phases. Days 1-10. During this phase, it is expected to feel resistance and struggle. Elrod emphasizes that this is only temporary. Anyone can make it through 10 days. Days 11-20. By this point, the hardest part is over, and you are getting used to your new routine, but it still requires discipline and commitment. Days 21-30. During the last few days, you establish your new habit as part of your daily ritual and work to sustain it for the future. This is often a time of pride and reflection on your successes. Elrod encourages mixing up your habits to keep things interesting and notes that this process can also be applied to weekends. Additionally, he stresses the importance of eating fresh fruits and vegetables as fuel for your body and mind. Conclusion 1. Don't believe the myth that you need a minimum of 8 hours of sleep to wake refreshed and energized. You can get a lot less and still be productive and energized. 2. Stop snoozing your alarm. Take 5 simple steps to avoid falling into this trap. 1 is putting your alarm on the other side of the room. 3. The 6 key practices are silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. 4. If you don't have much time in the morning, it takes 6 minutes to create your miracle morning. If you spend 1 minute on each key practice, you'll be on the road to transforming your life. 5. It takes 30 days to make and sustain a new habit. Waking up early in the morning is one of the most important habits of any successful person. With these small steps, you can improve your morning and day and progress towards your success with each step. So, yeah, I'll suggest you to give this book a try. Thank you. Thank you.